All right, hello everyone, this is Mr. Crocher, and I wanted to give you some help on this Venn diagram problem. It's about cartoons that people have watched and which ones they watch. Well, it's just a matter of using these clues to figure out where the numbers fall in here. And it is kind of tough, and I'll try to do my best to help you with it. Here we go. A study was made of 200 students, so we're going to put the universal set as 200. And we know that 22 students don't watch cartoons. I'm going to put a 22 down here because they don't watch the cartoon. 73 only watch Tiny Toons. Well, that number goes right here. And then it says 136 watch Tiny Toons, so that can go up here. So I've worked with all these clues, and 14 only watch the Animaniacs and Pinky and the Brain, so that's this number here. 31 only watch Tiny Toons and Pinky and the Brain, so that's 31 right there. And now 63 watch Animaniacs, and then we get this final clue down here that says 130 don't watch Pinky and the Brain, so they're not in here. So maybe I could say Pinky and the Brain complement is 135. Everything outside of this circle is 135. That'll come in handy later. All right, well, you have to put all those clues down. That's everything we know, and then we're going to try and figure out some numbers. And probably the first thing I notice is I could probably figure out this one right here in here. So if I look at this intersection right here, I'll put it in blue. If I look at this intersection, that intersection right there would be 136 minus the 73 and minus a 31. So there's 32 scores in here.
Chris Johnson, dial 1002.
All right, so now if I look at it that way, and now if I turn around and if I look at this, let me use a different color. I'm going to look at this whole yellow circle for the Animaniacs, or orange circle for the Animaniacs. Well, that would be 63 minus this 14 minus this 32. And that leaves 17 right there. So that's one way you can do some thinking here to figure out these numbers here. This is 32 in this region in here. And then it's 32 and 14 and 17 makes 63. All right, but we're still not done because we have to find these three segments. Well, if I use one more color here, if I use this color for green, everything outside this green circle is 135, right? Because 135 don't watch this. So if I go 135, and I take away everything outside of it, if I take away this 22, and I take away this 17, and I take away the 73, that leaves me 23 to fill in that one. Because the clue says 135 don't watch Pinky and the Brain. So that would be, let's double check that, 73, those people, those people, those people, those people, whoops, 22. 135. And then we can finish it just by saying, well, that's 9. And then you have one section missing, so that would be 200 minus every number on here. $11. And that's how you can work your way around this information. Think of the circles, think of the colors, try and find the mismatch. Try and find which one goes in which, and you should be able to get it all done. And then when you're done, check it by adding them all up. Make sure it adds up to 200. This is a tough one. This is one of the most challenging ones we'll do, but there is enough information down here to solve it.